Salam and hey guys, I'm Wani Ezra. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox another two of my Polly Pocket 2019's PollyVille collection. The first one is the diner, and then we also have the arcade. So let's go. So here we have the PollyVille diner, or the cafeteria, or the restaurant, and we're going to unbox it. Carefully and gracefully open up. Okay. So here's how it looks like, and I'm going to take it out from the plastic packaging, and yeah, we have the diner here. It can actually be closed like this, and we can open it up like this. As you guys can see, the diner has 4 floors. First, second, third, and fourth. And I'm asking for Arena's help to take out the tiny bits of the Polly Pocket here. So we just took out the micro bits of the Polly Pocket diner, PollyVille. So right now we are going to explore what's there. Well, on the ground floor, we'll be having, I guess this is where the magic happens. This is the kitchen, and also they have the tiny window where people can come and maybe ask for drive-through food here. Oh, before I forgot, let's introduce you guys to these very cute micro dolls of Polly Pocket. And here is Polly. Hello, and this is Polly's friend. Her name is Shani. And both of them are wearing a very cute diner-themed apron. And Polly's wearing, I think it's hamburger and a French fries. And Shani is wearing cupcakes and a bit of sprinkles. And it's purple. So... and don't forget that Polly Pocket actually has a micro stick function with this very cute sticker where they can actually stick their feet on it like that. Okay, and you can actually put the stickers anywhere in the diner. Oh, stick on Polly's feet right now. So I'm going to ask Ariana's help to put on the stickers. Ariana, can you help me?
Yes.
Thank you. So Ariana is going to put the stickers on the diner anywhere that you like. Of course, it has the heart shapes, lots of heart shapes, and it also has. Can we show it to your friends here? Okay, we have the menu.
Yes.
And the heart shapes and the hamburger and the drinks and everything. So nice. So let's put Shani here. So she can stick. Anywhere, you can put anywhere.
No.
So how about we put one at the sidewalk maybe?
This one.
Oh, you want to put there? Okay, that's nice.
This one.
Alright, let's put it on the door. So the door can actually open it. Yeah, Arana already put Polly and Shani on the chair. So we're going to put them here. And as I said, here's a kitchen, and you can drive through from here. And here is a toilet, unisex toilet. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Let me show you. Oh, very cute. And how you can see the details on the wall and everything. Can you close, Ariana, the door? Thank you. Okay, we also have this one. This is a pinball machine.
Yes.
So we can put the pinball machine maybe here, next to the table. This is actually a table where you can flip it. Here is it become a dining table. If you flip it back, it will become I don't know, maybe it's a game table.
Yes.
A game table maybe. Okay.
Yes.
It's on the top floor.
Yes.
And maybe I'm going to put another chair here.
Yes.
And yes, this is a ride machine. Okay, can you take Polly Pocket and put her in the machine, in the ride machine? Yeah. So Ariana is going to take the Polly Pocket.
This for the pocket.
I'm going to put it there. Meanwhile, we're going to see what's going on here at the first, second, and third floor. We have a karaoke machine, and I'm going to take Shani.
This is
Shani going to sing here. So you're going to put Shani here. Oh, can she stand?
this one.
You can actually play. Shani is actually dancing or singing, so it's cool. So Ariana is going to put the right here. Okay, so they both are playing. And we'll also have this one. This is a jukebox. Okay, so maybe you can put it downstairs or maybe here.
Yes.
So yeah, that's so cool. You can see from the ground floor up to the top floor. And last but not least, we'll see how we can close the diner so it will become compact like this. Okay, actually you can put everyone and everything here and you can close it, and that's how it looks like from the front. So okay, we are going to unbox another one of the Polly Pocket PollyVille's collection, that is the arcade, so stay tuned.